Check it out. We just installed the Hamilton upgrade kit for CarPlay and Android Auto into the factory screen of this 2014 to 2018 Toyota Avalon. Shifting to reverse will bring up your backup camera. Back to park brings you right back to CarPlay. Your features will continue to work as well. You won't lose any functionality with this kit. Check it out. Siri can read your messages.
Eli sent a video. Would you like to reply?
No.
Okay.
Our system integrates with your factory microphone, so phone calls, text messages, talking to Siri, it all works great. Let's make a phone call with Siri. Call Adam.
Calling Adam Moffat.
You can see your steering wheel controls continue to work.
Hey, Dave.
I'm calling you from a Toyota Avalon. We just installed Apple CarPlay. How do I sound?
Sounds clear as day.
Awesome. I'll call you later.
All right.
Any music app that has a CarPlay component will automatically show up. So whether you use Apple Music, Spotify, Pandora, the SiriusXM app, or any other music app, you'll have easy access to all your songs and large cover art. The same goes for navigation. Whether you use Apple Maps, Google Maps, or Waze, Siri will read your directions.
Starting route to 1205 Corporation Parkway.
This is so much better than factory navigation. Coming back home, you'll also see that any app with a CarPlay component will automatically show up. So if there's apps used for your personal life like Audible or business, they'll be right here. This would be your split screen view on the far left page of CarPlay, where you can see you're now playing next to your navigation. One of the things that sets the Hamilton system apart is you can simply long hold the voice speech button for 3 seconds at any time to access your factory system. This allows you to use your factory nav if you'd like, or listen to factory XM, FM, or AM radio. You won't lose anything with our kit. Everything from the factory is still available. This unit is backed, of course, by the Hamilton 3-year guarantee. It's a top-of-the-line warranty, and it means we're going to take great care of you before, during, or after your purchase. If you need anything or have any questions, give us a call. We'll be happy to help.